pleasant evening, all you gods out there. In this video, we're gonna draw Apollomon from Digimon Fusion. Start. If you are familiar with Apollomon, I'm here to tell you that he is one of the fusion fighters of Digimon Fusion, and was once one of the Dark Generals from the D5 clan. If you guys are familiar with this guy, he looks a little bit like Leomon. Well, a little bit. You could tell by his mane. When you're drawing Apollomon, you must draw this hole in his mouth. You must draw this hole between his teeth. That's where, well... that's how he was drawn that way. There we go. There's his sun side. Unlike the other generals, he has a pure heart and soul. He's a holy being. He's like Leomon's evolved counterpart, and a Alolan form too. He's a fire type. That's how I see him in Pokemon. It'd be amazing to see this Pokemon. It'd be amazing to see this Digimon in Pokemon Sword and Shield. Same goes for Pokemon X and Pokemon Y. I bet his power could rival up to Xerneas. I bet he has the same strength as Xerneas and Yveltal and Zygarde. And he might have the advantage against Yveltal. You just draw his mane, this, and the crest on his head.
I'll repeat the song.
Now we just draw his arm. There we go. There's his arm. There we go. And if you look at this part here, based on the way he's drawn, he looks like a god. Well, sun god actually. Alexa, who is Ra the sun god?
According to Wikipedia, Ra or Re is the ancient Egyptian deity of the sun. By the 5th dynasty in the 25th and 24th centuries BC, he had become one of the most important gods in ancient Egyptian religion, identified primarily with the noon sun. Ra was believed to rule in all parts of the created world, the sky, the earth, and the underworld. He was the god of the sun, order, kings, and the sky.
There we go. Now we just draw the rest of his body. Okay, for this side here, we must draw the bandages on his arm. Cause in the first episode we saw Apollomon in, he put that bandage on himself and the scars that are on it to remind him about what the generals are doing to all the Digimon on all 7 lands. But he made up for it. He decided he had a change of heart. He always had a change of heart. Cause he's working on the side of good. Working on the side of the fusion fighters. Together they defeated Lord Bagra and saved the digital world. He was revived by the Code Crown. Now on this hand here, must draw his other hand, his other arm. One that's fully healed. The half of him that's fully healed. This is the theme song that Apollomon should have. That's exactly how I imagined him to be a god. Now we just draw the embodiment of the sun. We draw the crest above his head. And here we go. On his back. Here we go. The next song. Okay. Those panels on his back, they keep this part of him hovering in the air. It's like he has a gravitational pull on it. Like the gravitational pull of the sun. And anyways, this would be a great Pokemon. It'd be a great Pokemon.
Gather all your friends. You will make it in the end. Courage is your strength as an heartbeat and easily explodes inside your soul. Dragon Ball heroes, you're slowly turning into superheroes. See all those enemies that stand in your way. Take them down and break your limits. Dragon Ball heroes, that's right, no longer will you be a zero. With all this energy shining so splendidly, it's time for you to show the world what you can do. Dragon Ball heroes.
There we go. There's the panel on his body. I mean, there's the panel on his legs.
Power takes to the skies. The excitement in Everybody has fears and doubts right from the start. They're just waiting to be birds from deep inside your heart. Now go and meet your foe. There's no time to take it slow. Go fight your rival as you hunt.
There's the hair.
Fiercely unleash your very soul. Dragon Ball heroes, you're slowly turning into superheroes. See all those enemies that stand in your way. Take them down and break your limits. Dragon Ball heroes, that's like the one who you be a hero. With all this energy, shining so splendidly, it's time for you to show the world what you can do. Dragon Ball heroes.
There we go.
Dragon Ball heroes, you're slowly turning into superheroes. See all those enemies that stand in your way. Take them down and break your limits. Dragon Ball heroes, that's right, the one who you be a zero. With all this energy shining so splendidly, it's time for you to show the world what you can do.
There's his hair.
Dragon Ball heroes.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Okay.
Ball heroes, that's right, no longer will you be a zero. With all this energy shining so splendidly, it's time for you to show the world what you can do. Dragon Ball heroes. If you wish to be the best, then fight hard like all the rest.
There we go.
You must train hard before you can find yourself.
And there he is. That's Apollomon.
On the star. It's just waiting to be unlocked from deep inside your heart.
This is what the sun that looks.
Gather all your friends.
This is what the embodiment of the sun should really look like.
In the end, courage is
It looks exactly like. He looks a little bit like Sogaleo.
explodes inside.
But anyways, if this was a crossover series with Digimon, I would pair him with Komodo.
Turning into super.
This is one of my favorite Pokemon. This is one of my favorite. This is actually one of my favorite Digimon. Okay, God fans, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Like the one who you be a zero. With all this
Sorry, forgot.